Hi everybody, my name is Arthur and welcome to another PixelPAD tutorial. We are coding our Fruit Slashers game, right? And in the last video, we added the screen shake to our game and also the on-screen timer there, showing the time lasts for us to play the game on seconds, right? So for today's challenge, we're gonna keep working with the fruits and the timer at the same time. And what do I mean with that? So for now, we don't have any fruit that changes our time left, right? Our time left to play the game. We just have to wait 60 seconds and then we go to the game over room. But what I want to add to the game is a fruit that whenever we slice it, it's not gonna give us points and it's not gonna take points from us as well, but instead it's gonna give us more time to play. So it's gonna increase our time to play, our stage timer, right? So you will use here on the sprites, let me press the plus here, and here more at the end, you will find the watermelon sprite. And I want you to use this watermelon as your fruit now, right? So you're gonna add the watermelon to your game. And this watermelon should not give or take points from you. Instead, this watermelon should increase your time left. So you can choose how much time you want to increase. Let's say 5 seconds or 10 seconds, but your watermelon should increase your time left to play. Okay, so my tip for you to do that is your watermelon will not have points. It won't give you any points, right? So your points will be 0 because it won't give you any points. It won't take any points from you. And whenever you slice your watermelon, then you check here if you have sliced the watermelon, right? And then you create the watermelon splash, and you can also change your stage timer. So I'll leave that with you, and in the next video, we're gonna solve this challenge together, right? But I want you to try it by yourself first before going to the next video. Okay, so try it by yourself, add a watermelon to your game as a new fruit, and this watermelon should increase your time left. All right? So see you in the next video. Bye.